Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Hyundai Veloster faster. We'll start with some foundational upgrades. A high-flow air intake is a great first step, allowing your engine to breathe more freely and potentially adding a few horsepower. Pairing this with a performance exhaust system not only gives your Veloster a more aggressive sound, but can also contribute to a modest increase in power, typically around 5 to 10 horsepower. These initial modifications are relatively straightforward and offer a good return for your investment. Moving on to more significant power enhancements, engine tuning is crucial. An ECU reflash or a performance tune can unlock hidden potential, often adding 20 to 50 horsepower, depending on your Veloster model. For turbocharged Velosters, upgrading to a larger turbocharger can provide dramatic power gains, sometimes over 100 horsepower. Remember to also upgrade your intercooler. This helps keep intake air cool, ensuring consistent power delivery and preventing heat soak, especially during spirited driving. Making your Veloster faster isn't just about raw engine power. Handling is equally important. Installing a quality set of coilovers will dramatically improve your car's cornering ability and reduce body roll, giving you a more connected feel to the road. Don't overlook performance tires. They are your car's only contact with the pavement and offer superior grip for both acceleration and braking. Additionally, upgrading to stiffer sway bars can further sharpen your Veloster's handling dynamics, making it feel much more agile. Finally, let's talk about stopping power and drivetrain efficiency. Upgrading your brake pads and rotors is essential for safely handling increased speeds, providing much better stopping performance and fade resistance. For those with a manual transmission, a short-throw shifter can make gear changes quicker and more precise, enhancing the driving experience. Lastly, consider lightweight wheels. Reducing unsprung mass by even a few pounds per corner can noticeably improve acceleration, braking, and overall handling responsiveness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.